how to install Amazon Prime Video on Android. So if you want to install Amazon Prime Video on Android device, then first check your internet connection, and once you have a stable internet connection, then you need to simply open up your Play Store. And once you open your Play Store, go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then you can search for Amazon Prime Video. And once you've searched for Amazon Prime Video, you will have this Amazon Prime Video application. So if you want to download or install the application, simply tap on install and it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded or once it's installed, you will have the open button on the right side. So simply tap on that open, which is here on the right side, and then you can create your account or log into your account and use your Amazon Prime Video. So that's it. That's how you can download and install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.